Are you tired of writing essays that don't score high enough on your IELTS exam? Do you feel stuck trying to understand what examiners are really looking for? Is your writing full of ideas but lacks the structure and clarity needed to hit band 7 or higher? Is it frustrating, isn't it? You have practiced for hours but still the high scores seem out of reach. But it doesn't have to be this way. Join me on Sunday, February 16, 2025, for a free IELTS Academic Writing Task 1, Task 2 webinar, totally free, where I will reveal the exact strategies to avoid common mistakes that drop your score, master how to fully develop your ideas and impress the examiner, and learn how to structure your essay the right way every time. Use simple yet powerful language that guarantees accuracy and clarity. If you have been struggling with the writing section, don't let this opportunity slip away. Reserve your spot now. And finally, unlock the secrets to a perfect IELTS writing score. So let me know if you'd like to make any changes.